Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue car battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure your new battery is the correct size and type for your vehicle. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Locate your vehicle's battery, which is usually found under the hood. Using your wrench, first disconnect the negative battery terminal. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in its tray. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the cable terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive battery terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. For the final steps, securely fasten the battery hold-down clamp to prevent any movement. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to protect them from rust and ensure a long-lasting connection. Once everything is secure, start your Nissan Rogue to confirm the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.